I'm telling you right now, no one has to believe me, but from the bottom of my heart, this is insane how good iguana is, and I can't believe I'm saying that sentence. Woo!
Hey guys, welcome back to Making It. We're gonna be doing a little special here today. We're in wonderful, sunny Florida with the beautiful, wonderful Ben Friedman. Whoa! Woo! Ben, thanks for coming. And the elephant in the room. Today we're gonna be cooking up iguana, a very invasive, large lizard here in southern Florida. All of Florida?
Well, mostly southern Florida, but he's not invasive anymore. We took him out of the ecosystem.
I've never cooked one. I've never eaten one. Ben went and hunted one today. We'll talk all things iguana, but I'm gonna treat it like kind of like a rabbit chicken.
That's kind of what it is, the chicken of the tree, they call it.
White meat or like a dark chicken?
It's like chicken, but a little tougher.
Very exploratory episode of Making It. Before we get into the cooking and the process and all the good fun and the mystery of breaking down a 3-foot lizard, let's do a little thing we do on the show, little ingredient shrine, where we pay some respect to the ingredients, including our ever so problematic iguana. Cooking from the hip. We're gonna do a little braise. I got a cast iron pan, and then we're gonna blast them in the pizza oven.
You might save South Florida's ecosystem from this recipe.
We'll see how it goes. Right? Let's not get ahead of ourselves. And they get pretty big, huh?
Oh yeah, this is probably a medium to smaller. I mean, they
Could
get
eat in
5,
size.
6, 7 feet. Yeah, they're beautiful animals. I hate, unfortunately we have to kill them, but I like them. I think they're cool, but they just don't belong here.
Little dried yuzu, gonna give us a nice little fun, bitter, citrus kind of, I don't know, it's optional. I threw it in the bag. We got, again, optional, but I think we're gonna use it, Tony Cratchers. Cratchers, you know Tony?
I don't know him, but I'm gonna get to know him today.
A little bit of a different version of an Old Bay.
Oh, all right.
Next up, we just got a little old-fashioned garlic, classic. I went ahead and I peeled about 5 cloves, gave it a little crush. We got some good old-fashioned olive oil, 1 sweet onion, chicken stock, cherry tomatoes. We got some herbs. We got a little sprig of rosemary. We got a little cilantro and a little parsley. We also have a little silk chili, a little seedless pepper flake. We're gonna add a little bit more heat to it. Spanish smoked paprika. And back home, right when I was leaving, I noticed this log that my friend Jerry inoculated with shiitakes, and he gave me a long time back, and I neglected it and I forgot. I walked back there, full fruit.
No way.
Yeah, mushrooms all over the place.
So these are imported.
These are
From
my,
your place.
I brought these.
No way.
Yeah, and we're gonna put those in there just for a little flavor, a little shiitake flavor in the braise.
I feel like a special occasion with that.
Yeah,
We got from the homestead.
Oh, I got my TSA approved bag of dope.
Oh, there you
No,
go.
it's oregano from the garden too.
It's OG Kush right there.
Yeah, so again, we'll probably have a little pinchy poo in there with that. Aromatics, tomato, iguana. What can go wrong?
I mean, we'll find out, I'm sure.
Give it up to the ingredient shrine, the Lord of Death, who couldn't join us today, but he's here in spirit. Thank you, Mr. Iguana. I know you're a pain in the ass for the locals, but we're gonna put you to good work here, bud. I mean, have you done this before?
Yeah, I've done it a couple times, but I wouldn't say any of them turned out too crazy. I think you're the most accomplished chef to ever touch an iguana, so I have high hopes.
We're in big trouble. So what do you just kind of cut it at the hinge
right
there?
at the joint, yeah.
Let's see, I found these at the Airbnb here.
Oh yeah, I bet you didn't, they didn't think.
Oh, that's coming home to the shrine.
That noise was interesting.
I want to make earrings of the old lady. All right, I like this. Look, I got a little tray going. Continue our dismemberment.
Yeah, it's gonna turn into an iguana log.
Wow. And these are like big, giant bullfrog legs.
Yeah,
huh?
those are gonna be a little more meat. We need that.
We're gonna need that. And the tail? Talk to me about the tail.
The tail's kind of the little filet mignon of the iguana.
Oh, okay. Oh,
The
so
back
tail's
strap
primo.
almost. That's, yeah, at least in my experience. Got a lot of meat. The wings, every time I've eaten them, you kind of know you're eating iguana.
Is that what you call them?
Yeah, that's what we call these parts. You got the little drummy.
That's a nice little meaty winger, though.
There's a lot right there.
What do you do? Just cut?
Yeah, right at the base there. Yeah, I mean, look at that, though.
Oh, wow. It almost looks like an eel or like almost looks like a fish. That
Fillet.
looks kind of good.
It's almost like a fish fillet in that tail.
Oh, look at the meat. Looks phenomenal.
It's not bad. I'm like,
Let's
oh,
try to
shit.
keep the outside of that skin off of the contact with it. Because you're supposed to kill these things, correct?
Yeah, by law. I mean, I
Oh,
don't even
really?
think you're allowed to have them as pets anymore. At least not where I am. If I didn't tell you, you may think that was like a chicken or I don't know.
Well, that's a little bit of a stretch there, Ben.
A rabbit, maybe.
A weird little rabbit from maybe another part of the world or something.
Squirrel, maybe.
All right, so that worked out great, man. That looks phenomenal.
We might have to get into the business. Start
So
selling them.
Maybe. What I'm going to do is just add a little bit of salt now. All right, a little bit of salt on there. We're gonna preheat the cast iron pan behind us. And like most braises or meats for the matter, I like to put a little bit of color on them, right? Get a little bit of that char on there. It's gonna help develop flavor, and it's just kind of a very classic standard procedure in the braising world. All right, never done it with an iguana. We'll see what it smells like. That's gonna be the indicator of the flavor. But in the meantime, let me go ahead and I'll cut up a little onion. We're gonna sweat that down. Always sweat your onions in a braise first. We're gonna sear off our meat, put it back on the tray. We'll add everything back to it with the chicken stock, aromatics, some herbs, some spices. In the oven covered. Oh, it smells great. It smells like frog legs and rabbit. It's like a frog rabbit.
Yeah, it is kind of like a frog.
It's a frog rabbit. Oh yeah, look at that. That's crisping up real nice. That smells way better than I thought it was gonna. Way better than it looked with skin on.
Yeah, I'm starting to change my opinions right now.
This is gonna, I'm gonna blow you away. These are gonna be so good. Braised, woo! Little onion, little garlic, cipollina. We don't have any cipolinas, but I just like saying it.
I'm glad we're filming because I might start doing this with all the ones I see.
Stick with me, bud. You're gonna be cooking up iguana on a regular basis. You're gonna find a life partner because of your iguana dish.
That would be great.
Now we're gonna hit it right with our onions, all right? Right in there.
We're sweating them.
Sweating them out. Easy. So just got some garlic, about 4 cloves of garlic. Little handful of these little cherry grape tomato-y things. We're just gonna have them. Maybe do a couple whole. Build our little sauce a little bit. Add a little acid to the party, which is usually fun, depending on who you're with. Let's hit it with a little smoked paprika, a little scatooter of that for flavor. Aromatic. We're not even gonna eat them. You can, but
Leone's
shiitakes
right
with the stems, they got amazing flavor and aromatic they're gonna add to it. Let's add a little bit of this silk chili. Go ahead and smell this.
Oh my! I'm not gonna lie. My hype is so high I can't even control it right now.
Woo. Let's not forget, we'll do a little pinchy poo of our. Here, give me your hand. Backside of your hand, and we're gonna iguana. Do a little licky poo of that,
A lick?
or snort it, whatever you want to do.
Oh my! What is that called?
Oh, yuzu powder. So all those things come together. The oils bring them together. Yep. Yeah, I like that. All right, we're gonna add the garlic and the tomato right in there.
That yuzu is still in my mouth. It tastes good.
You like that?
Yeah, that's good. This is
good
gonna
already.
be something.
So it's just a nice little classic. And what we'll do is we'll add chunks of iguana right to the party. All right, tuck them in, make them feel good about everything. It's gonna be delish. A little bit of Tony Cratchers or Crotachers.
Yeah, we almost forgot about Tony.
Oh, I almost forgot. My medicinal grade oregano. There we go, Bubba.
Dude, this
Medicinal
looks
grade.
so good, man.
Yeah, you just wait. Little chicky stock.
Oh my God.
That was 1 cup. We're gonna do a little bit more. We got a really good feeling about this. We got our stock, our tomatoes, our herbs, our onions, our little lizardy friends, 2 shiitakes, tomatoes, what else?
Tony's here.
I preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna get this up to a little simmer, cover it, pop it in there for, let's say, this is more tender than I thought it was gonna be, but we'll give it some time. We'll let those bones build a nice little stocky broth in that chicken broth, a little chicken iguana stock. Say about an hour, hour and a half in the oven. And the nice little trick, the nice little finisher, what they do in the restaurants, you put it in the broiler or the salamander. We got that Gagnon tread, the little portable oven, which I think you're gonna love. Throw that thing in there, just so when it's all done and soft, we can put a little bit of crisp on the top. Eat it with our freaking fingers. Yeah.
Maybe with the claws. We might get the claws.
Maybe
back
with
out.
the little claws, little escargot claws, little periwinkle pickers. Claw picking good.
Yeah, claw picking.
I'm gonna go ahead and say we are definitely the first people to put an iguana in the Gagnon.
They gotta be.
Maybe not in like a pizza oven, but probably in the Gagnon.
We're basically doing like research right
Well, they're gonna be something. So we just got out of the pizza oven, out of the Gagnon there, and I mean, man, everything smells wonderful. It smells like braised rabbit.
now. It smells
A little bit of
amazing.
rosemary in there. The tomato broke down. The shiitakes. Let's taste the broth by itself first.
Okay, so that's the first step.
Just get in there. Taste a little bit of the broth.
You get vegetables in it or just the
Yeah, whatever you want. Clean. Not bad at all.
Yeah, I'm actually think this is so good and it's freaking me out.
Look at the meat. It looks like chicken.
Oh, we're eating it. Here we go.
Oh yeah. Wait a minute.
What do you mean wait? I think it's so good. I think I'm ready to judge it. No?
It's delicious.
Am I crazy or is that like really good?
It might even be. It's better than most chicken you get at the supermarket.
This is the weirdest thing, dude. That is so good. I'm almost like keep trying to refresh my brain like, dude, are you sure that's iguana? But that is like,
Wow. That should be on restaurant menus all over the state. Look, it's like loins.
yeah, that's what
It's
they
like
call
a mackerel. Look at
the
it.
backstrap of
Oh,
it.
I
is what-
like this.
Oh, that's better than the leg.
Wow. Wow, I didn't see that coming. I could serve that to you and you wouldn't even know it was iguana.
Dude, I'm having a lot of weird thoughts. I can't believe that I'm liking this so much. This is crazy.
It's got a really amazing fat content.
Yeah, it just tastes like, oh my God.
It tastes like really, really good chicken.
Yeah, but like almost better
But like
than
with a
chicken.
little bit
Is
of a
that
wild
crazy to say?
gaminess to it.
Am I insane for saying that?
No, I'm kind of with you. Like I kind of like it better than like generic chicken. Look, there's a little flat of it.
Oh yeah.
Wow. It's like it's chicken, but it's rabbit, but there's like a little bit of a frog leg. Also like a little bit of like lamb shank. And we didn't go like zhuzhing this up with a bunch of like masking flavoring. This is simple cooking.
Yeah, that's what's crazy about it, dude. Like I'm tasting the meat.
If it was bad, I would say don't do it. It's bad.
Like we took a bite and ate it. We don't have to keep doing it. This is voluntary eating.
Mmm.
Yeah, that stock is good.
A little broth in there. Get a little clove of garlic. Watch, I'm gonna do a little composed bite.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
I'm telling you right now, no one has to believe me, but from the bottom of my heart, this is insane how good iguana is, and I can't believe I'm saying that sentence.
Holy shit, Ben. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that. If you live in Florida, I'm sure you know someone that can catch an iguana. Go catch one yourself. You saw how we broke it down. It was literally the first time I ever did it. It's just like a chicken. Once you get past the face,
The look, the claws.
the freaking dinosaur nightmare hands that they have.
Claws in the face.
Thing is delicious. Hey, look, when was the last time you looked at a chicken close?
Not very recently. I don't know.
They're not too far off.
Yeah, they're dinosaurs.
They're dinosaurs. They
know
have
what?
those same little
Yeah, they got the little goggly
crazy eyes and like
dude.
soulless little like.
They do. They're actually pretty similar.
It's kind of a chicken.
It
It's
is.
a four-legged chicken. Thanks for hanging. This is me and Ben. Eat more iguana. Support your people that are cooking and catching evasive stuff. And call your mom, unless she's a piece of shit. Thanks, Ben.
There you go.
Fun hanging, buddy. Let's pick
This
it.
is
You guys
actually,
gotta try this. Put the
you
camera
have
down.
to try it.
Hard rap.
Do not.
Gang, get
over
in here.
We got to bring this cowboy.
Yeah?
100%.
love
Save one thing. Because that's who, dude, he will not believe how good that is.